Hey guys, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I am Bharti. Today we'll be learning how to do Dhanurasana or the bow pose. This is one of my favorite asanas which I incorporate in my daily practice. It is great for strengthening the spine, opening up the shoulders, and for toning the abdominal organs. So once you are ready, let's hop onto the mat and get going.
Lie down on your stomach, bend the knees, stretch the arms back, and hold the left ankle with the left hand and the right ankle with the right hand. Then take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, pull the legs up by raising the knees and simultaneously lifting the chest off the floor. Lift up the head and pull it back. Lift your body as high as possible so that only the abdomen is on the floor. Then try to bring the knees as close to each other as possible. Keep breathing normally here in Dhanurasana or the bow pose. Then with an exhalation, release the ankles, straighten the legs, and bring the head and legs back to the ground and relax. Now let's try to do Parsva Dhanurasana or the side bow pose. Bend the knees and grab the ankles. Inhale, and as you exhale, come to Dhanurasana. Then take a breath in, and as you exhale, roll over to the right side and stretch the legs and the chest. As you inhale, come back to the center. Again, take a breath in, and as you exhale, roll over to the left side. Stay here for a breath and then come back to the center. Release the ankles, straighten the legs, and bring the head and the legs back to the ground and relax. This was Dhanurasana and Parsva Dhanurasana as taught in Light on Yoga. Hope you enjoyed it. Do subscribe to the channel to stay tuned to new videos every week. Bye-bye.